I recently did a live class on how to create reels in Canva. And one of the things that I always do with my education reels is create a consistent cover that indicates to my audience that it is an education reel, that it gives a title, it has a photo that is relevant to the piece, and it is branded so that it is easily recognizable as my own. So I want to give you a quick idea on how to do that. You can either ideally create your own, or you can go into templates, and you can see templates are over here on the left, but I've already got one that I've got open here. So I just, if you notice in the search bar, have Instagram reel covers, and I'm going to use this one here because it's got a lot of different things that we can work with. Now I'm just going to say customize. This is a pro one, but if you don't have the pro account, don't let that deter you at all, because you are fine either way to select one that you like for yourself. So what we want to do first is change this up so that it has our brand to it. So I'm going to click on the background, which you can see now, anytime you have this purple box, it's telling you that that's what you're working in. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to find the background color here, and I'm going to come up and I'm going to change it. And I notice here this is a two-tone. So if I want to keep that theme, I'm going to keep it with my dark olive. And I can see here it says change all, from that dark purple to the dark olive. So I'm going to hit change all. And now you'll notice everything that was that one shade is now instantly my brand color. Then I'm going to take this piece here and I'm going to change it to my lighter olive. And again, I could do that. I could hit change all, and then it creates that with the other one. And that's pretty good. Now what I want to do is I'm going to come up to my heading. I'm going to take it into my brand kit, which you'll see is here, and I'm going to find my font. And because this is a bit of a bigger block, I'm going to maybe go with a medium, maybe a semi-bold. Let's go with that. Now this is a cursive, so I want to take that into my brand cursive. And because it now has changed it to be quite a bit bigger, I'm going to bring that up so that it maintains one line. Next thing I want to do is change the photo from a stock photo to one that is my own. So I could come into my, I'm just going to grab the very first one that I see. Okay. So now basically what I have done is I have created from a template a branded cover that I can reuse constantly. So what I'm going to do next, of course, is I'm going to change this to my website. I'm going to change this orange here, this yellow. I'm going to make that my orange because I haven't brought that in yet. And you'll see change all from the yellow to the orange. There I have my key orange in there. What this has done is given you the exact way that you can take a template and create your own. Now what I want to do is I'm going to duplicate this up here with that double plus. And then the next time I have a reel that I want one with, I just come in and I change the text, I change the photo, and I create a consistency each and every time. I hope this gives you a really good hint on how to make a branded cover photo for consistency on your Instagram reels. You could also use this exact same method for your stories. I'm Allison from Dandelion Digital.